If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to what is this? Luna Classic video update today for Monday, and we're back into the track. Let's get back into the game. Alright, so what are we doing here? The last video we talked about this coin, Stupid Luna Classic, is that it failed to cross a certain area, and that certain area is right over here. Look at that. Boom. Okay, the technical target that I gave you on 18,000, it was already met. The question is the bottom really in or not? The first thing is that you sort of like broke a downtrend. It seems like you are breaking a downtrend because you have this resistance right there, and it's a break of a downtrend. The next thing is that there's a pattern which is a bullish pattern called as an ascending triangle. Okay, so if you look at it this way, here's your ascending triangle. You started off, boom, to the upside, got rejected, came to the downside, went up again, rejected, came to the downside, went up, get rejected. The apex and the decision comes in at 16 June, not June, January, 5 days from now. Within 5 days, you either go to 24,000, which is your ascending triangle technical target, or you pop down and you go to 12,000, which is your technical target as well. So you got to be careful at this point. It's a little bit confusing, I know, but at the moment, I do see it as being some sort of an ascending triangle. That's what makes sense to me right now. I just want to see if the EMAs, there's any cross. Right now, you're getting above the 55, but that's not good enough because the last time you tried to get above the 55 here, you were still rejected. So basically, based on the EMAs, if I had to tell you about the EMAs, we're still in a downtrend. If you have to count the wicks as well, there you go. We're still at the resistance point. So if I consider the wicks as your resistance, just for the sake of, you know, good practice of wick counting, I am going to consider the wick. So you haven't really broken out of it. So if you consider the wick, we still haven't broken. The wick touch there, wick touch here, wick touch here, and that's actually a valid trend line. So yeah, we're just gonna actually consider the wick, and if we do consider the wick, we're still at the resistance point because wick is resistance and this EMA is also resistance. So we really need to get above 18,000, backtest 18,000 as well, and from here it's going to be clear. It's going to be clear you want to move up to 24,000 level, and I just want to see if the RSI is overbought at the moment. So yeah, there we go. We don't have any bearish divergence or anything. We also have resistance up here, so you do have chances to move up. Okay, you have a chance to move on the RSI. Look at this. Okay, look at that. On the RSI, you have an empty space to actually pump. So all of this is all empty space right there, which actually means this empty space for that ascending triangle technical target. Okay, so keep an eye on that one. In the next 5 days, we're going to see breakout of the ascending triangle backtest, and that's going to be a lovely good trade opportunity for 44% move up. Pretty sweet. So keep an eye, and that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love this.